Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just got one question for you.
Are you ready for a challenge?
Bring it on.
So this challenge is going to take a little bit from everything we've learned in the past videos. There's a couple things that I want you to do. I want you to make a file called challenge1.java, and then inside that file, I want you to write a program that will loop 20 times and will print out the numbers 1 through 12, where 12 is a string at the end. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. You can see in this example output here that we print 0 through 11, then we print 12 as a string, and then we stop after we've printed 12. But also remember that we're going to loop 20 times. So there's going to be a trick to how you're going to want to stop printing. There's definitely several ways you can do this, but the rules again are we want to loop 20 times. We want to print the numbers 0 through 11 as an integer value, and then we want to print the number 12 as a string. After that, we don't want to print anything else. And those are the rules for the challenge. So what do you think? Are you up for the challenge? There's definitely a lot of ways that you can accomplish this task. Take the time to try to do this in as many ways as you can think of doing it. And just because you find one solution doesn't mean you found the best solution. Go through and try to do this in as many ways possible, and in the next video, we'll discuss some of the answers. Anyway, I am DB. I hope you're having a great day. Let's keep rocking, and let's keep learning. Peace out, everybody.